Popular Portland businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald denied bail when he appeared in court. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The popular 67-year-old businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald, who was accused of murdering both his wife, was denied bail by Justice Vinette Allen Graham when he appeared in court on Wednesday. According to the Supreme Court judge, Everton is considered to be dangerous with the ability to hire assailants. It is also believed that if he should be granted bail, he may go into hiding given the current situation he is in and the sentence that may be imposed on him. During the proceedings on Wednesday in court, the media was prevented from entering the courtroom to cover the happenings. The accused is alleged to be responsible for the murder of his two wives. The court takes the view that these offenses are serious offenses to the nature of murder, and it cannot take it any more seriously, according to the judge. It was also highlighted in court that if Beachy is freed, the chances of him carrying out more crimes are high based on his history. The court believes that even though he may not commit the crime himself, it is clear that he is the type of person to hire someone to get the dirty work done for him. The court concluded that the evidence presented against Mr. Everton Beachy Stout McDonald is very strong, too strong to offer him bail. Court documents highlighted that Everton Beachy Stout offered $3 million for the killing of his second wife, who he reportedly wanted to be stabbed to death because his first wife was shot. Denvalid Maynard, Asta Barnes, and Everton Beachy Stout McDonald were all charged with the murder of Tonya McDonald, but Maynard pleaded guilty in September 2020 to the murder and was sentenced to 19 years in prison. He was ordered to serve 10 years before being eligible for parole. After the killing of his second wife, Miss Tonya McDonald, the 2009 case for McDonald's first wife was revisited by the lawmen. There was a submission of a file to the Office of Director of Public Prosecution before McDonald was charged with the first wife murder. According to reports, Portland businessman paid a police detective to plan the hit on his first wife. She had left the marital home for 2 years before the murder. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Links 7 TV. Thanks for watching.